In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an aesthetic Google Forms. To begin, open Google Forms and start a new form. This gives you a clean canvas to work with, which is important for an aesthetic look. Before you write anything, take a second to think about the tone of your form. A clear title and consistent wording will make the finished form feel more polished and intentional. Now, click where it says Untitled Question. This is your first question box. Type your question in a simple, readable way. Keep it short and specific so people can answer quickly. If you want the form to feel more cohesive, use a consistent style across questions, like starting with the same verb or keeping similar sentence length. Next, go to the question type menu. It usually shows multiple choice by default. Click that drop-down and select the type that fits your question. Choosing the right format helps your form look cleaner and reduces confusion. For example, multiple choice works well for single selections, while other types are better for detailed responses. After that, click on Option 1 and type your first answer choice. Use consistent capitalization and wording. If one option is a full sentence, the others should be too. If one option is short, keep them all short. This small detail makes the form look more professional and visually balanced. When you are ready to add more choices, click Add Option. Keep adding options until you have all the answers you need. Try to avoid overcrowding the question with too many choices, since that can make the form feel busy. A neat set of options is easier to scan and feels more aesthetic. Once your question is set, look to the bottom right of the question card for the required toggle. Turn Required on if the question must be answered before someone can submit the form. This is especially useful for essential information, and it also helps you collect complete responses without needing follow-ups. When everything looks good, go to the top right and click Publish. This prepares your form to be shared. Then in the sharing options, click the link icon in the middle tab. Select Copy to copy the form link to your clipboard. You can now paste that link wherever you are sharing it, like a message, a document, or a website. And that is all there is to it.